Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. First of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone. So, as we plan for an Eid barbecue trip, we visited this place in UAE. As honestly speaking, it is the best place for barbecue. Even though the weather is hot these days over there, but it didn't feel hot at all because it's such an open area. The wind was so nice and cool, and the vibes were honestly on another level. The scenery, the nature, the lake view, everything was just so peaceful and beautiful. Lakeside barbecue hits different, bro. We literally enjoyed so much. We even stayed there till midnight and came back around 7:30 in the morning. It was such a good experience and definitely one of our favorite barbecue spot now. Hopefully you guys also get to enjoy and your Eid barbecue with your loved ones. Bye bye. Enjoy your Eid.